If you want to study at the University of the Free State in 2027, this video will show you exactly how to apply step by step. I will also explain when applications open and close, whether you pay a fee, how APS requirements work, and what happens after you apply. Even if you have never applied before, you will understand everything clearly from start to finish. UFS applications for 2027 open on the 1st of April and are completed fully online through the official UFS application portal. The closing date is usually the 30th of September, but some programs close much earlier. For example, health science courses can close in May or July. This means you should never wait until the last minute to apply, because spaces can fill up quickly. The good news is that applying to UFS is completely free. You do not pay any application fee at all when submitting your online application. However, if you are accepted later, you will pay registration and study fees. Be careful of anyone asking for money to help you apply, because the official UFS application process does not require any payment at the application stage. Before you start applying, you need to prepare a few important things. You will need your ID or passport, your grade 11 results if you are still in school, or your grade 12 results if you have them. You also need to think carefully about what you want to study. For example, teaching, law, or accounting all have different requirements, so check before you apply. To start your application, go to the official website, apply.ufs.ac.za. Once the page opens, click on Start Application. You will then choose whether you are a South African or international applicant. This is important because the system will guide you differently depending on your choice. After that, you will begin filling in your personal details, step by step. Next, you will enter your personal information, such as your full name, ID number, phone number, and email address. Make sure everything is correct, because the university will use these details to contact you. If you make a mistake, like using the wrong email, you might miss important updates about your application status, or missing documents that need to be submitted. After your details, you will choose your study options. At UFS, you can select 2 courses. Your first choice is your preferred course, and your second choice is a backup. For example, you might choose Bachelor of Education as your first choice and Bachelor of Arts as your second. If you do not qualify for your first choice, your second choice may still be considered. Then, you will upload your supporting documents. This includes your ID or passport and your school results. Make sure your documents are clear and readable. If the images are blurry or incomplete, your application can be delayed or even rejected. It is better to use a clear phone photo or scan and save everything as a PDF before uploading. UFS uses something called an APS score, which stands for Admission Point Score. They take your best 6 subjects from grade 12 and convert your marks into points. These points are added together to see if you qualify for a course. For example, some courses need a lower APS, while competitive courses like medicine or law need much higher scores. It is important to understand that meeting the minimum APS does not guarantee admission. Some courses are very competitive and only accept a limited number of students. This means that even if 2 students qualify, only those with higher scores or stronger applications may be accepted. That is why choosing a second study option is very important when applying. After you submit your application, you will receive a confirmation email and a student number. You can then log back into the system to track your application status. The university may also contact you if they need additional documents. You must check your email regularly, because missing a request from the university can delay or affect your application outcome. Finally, remember that applying early is the safest choice, because some programs close months before the final deadline. Double-check your documents, make sure your marks are correct, and choose your courses carefully. Applying does not guarantee admission, so be realistic with your choices. If you follow each step correctly, your UFS 2027 application will be smooth and complete.